Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide price in WooCommerce. This is particularly useful if you're running a catalog-only store, want to encourage customers to contact you for pricing, or simply prefer not to display prices publicly on your shop page. Let's get started with the process. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store, as this will ensure you have the proper access to make the necessary changes. After logging in, you'll be on your WordPress dashboard. To hide price in WooCommerce, click on Appearance on the left navigation menu. This will expand a set of options that control how your site looks and functions. From the options that appear, click on Editor. This is where you'll be able to access the code that controls various aspects of your shop's appearance. From the Editor page, look at the left navigation menu and click on Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages on your site. From this list, look for the Shop page and click on it. This is the main page where your WooCommerce products are displayed. Once you're on the shop page, click on Edit to open the shop editor screen. Now look at the top right part of your screen and click on the three-dot icon, also known as the More Options menu. From the expanded options that appear, click on Code Editor. This will switch your view to a code-based editor where you can make more advanced customizations. Now scroll down to the very bottom of this code editor. This is where we'll be adding a line of code to hide your price in your WooCommerce store. I will be flashing a code to the screen so you can pause the video to copy the whole code and make sure it is correct. Once you've copied it, make sure to add it at the bottom of this code editor. This placement is important because it ensures the code executes properly without interfering with existing functionality. Once you've added the code, simply click on Save on the top right part of your screen. Give it a moment to process and your product prices will be hidden from your shop page. And there you have it, you've successfully hidden the prices on your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.